Google introduced Gemini, its most powerful AI model, towards the end of last year. So, two things are fascinating about this AI model. One is it's built to be multimodal ground up. That means it can understand text, video, audio, image, and code. Another thing that stands out with Gemini is its provision for free tier APIs. So let's explore a very basic aspect of Gemini by using its free tier APIs. As you can see, in 5 very easy steps, you can use the Gemini model and then it some provide with some questions so that it can answer. So let's first explore how easy it is to use the Gemini multimodal. So here we import generative AI. It's already installed because I'm using a Jupyter notebook. You will see that it's already installed. I don't need to pip install this. So then you have Google generative AI, uh, import that as Gen AI. Then you configure with your own API key. It's very easy to get an API key over here. Yeah, you can go to this web page and then create your API key, but you should have actually logged into your account through the Google AI Studio. So once you get the API key, just say genai.configure with the API key variable over here. And then once you configure it, then you can choose your generative model. Now I have simply chosen the Gemini Pro model. So first you import, then you configure with your API key, then choose your model. Step number 3 is choose your model. Once you have chosen your model, then here we go. We can actually start questions to it just the way that you ask questions with ChatGPT. So here is the what is the meaning of life, and then it provides a response. If you want the answer, then you can say response.text, and here we go. So in 5 very easy steps, you can use the Google Gemini multimodal model. So you can see that there are various answers, different perspectives are given. The meaning of life in terms of relationships, purpose, experiences, contribution, and then the different ways of looking at the meaning of life. Quite impressive, actually. So, and then I ask one more question, write a small story about a village, and then it takes some time because it's generating text and then a good content as well. So, you will see there is a beautiful story coming out of this. So, if you want to get, you can also actually explore what are all the functions and classes and properties in the API. So just type GenAI dot and you'll be able to see all the functions, the properties, the classes as well. So I just tried to explore one such property. So I want to get what is the model name that I'm using, and it immediately gave me its Gemini Pro. And then what all the models I have from which I have to choose. So I have a list of models given by Gemini. So you can see that there is one model, Chat Bison 001. There is Text Bison 001. So embedding Gecko 001. And then there is one for computer vision, Gemini Pro Vision. So it also gives you the list of models. You can actually explore with this option over here. So just type model dot and then you will be able to explore the functions and the properties that it provides. So in 5 easy steps, as you can see, you can use the Gemini multimodal APIs. And what is fascinating, as I said, is its provision to uh, use the free tier APIs of the Gemini model. Thanks for watching this video.